Hi guys, it's Thomas here from CFTC.com. In today's video, I'd like to give you some guidance on how to use the alert function in TradingView on our wonderful iCOT intraday indicator with Aftersignal. You can see this is a British pound US dollar currency pair on a 15-second candlestick chart. The reason I'm using this short time frame is we really just want to show you the alerts. But I mean, just by looking at the chart, it seems to be a very great looking chart over here with some successful signals. So the first step you're going to do is hit the right button and say add alert. And then when you get this panel, the first thing you got to choose obviously is the market, which is of course preset for the market we're looking at. And then you're going to say less than if you are looking for entry sell signals. So less than, and then here instead of price, you're going to choose the indicator that's set up for the short side of things. So in our case, it's the second one. Okay. And then the last is choosing entry sell text. Okay. So these are the steps you got to do, and you can say once per bar close, whatever you want to choose, create, and let's see if the market gives that signal. So, and you see over here we have the sell signal, but the bar did not close yet. So there you go. We got the alert.